Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela, and today I am going to be using a skill saw for the first time on my own. Yesterday, one of my friends actually showed me how to use it. Now, I had this skill saw for like 2 years. Let me show you what it looked like. This is my skill saw, guys. And it is called the Hyper Tough 12 amp 7¼ inch circular saw. I got this saw about 2 years ago from Walmart, and I think it was either $24.99. So I know it was less than $30. Guys, I got a project in my head, and I want to make me a farm style table. So I'm going to go ahead on and cut this this wood up, and this wood is from a previous project that I used. So these are some scrap woods. Okay, so let's get right on to it. I have my respirator mask, and I also have some safety glasses. Let's hop right on into this project, guys. Guys, before we get started, I do want to let you know that I am going to be using the 45-degree angle. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video to share with you guys this table that I just put together. This was my very first time ever putting something like this together. One of my friends actually showed me how to use a skill saw, so I came home yesterday and I cut the wood and stuff up. So I assembled it on today, and this was my end results, guys. I am very, very proud of myself for what I've done, because this is just what I just had in my head, and I had enough confidence that I was going to pull it off, and I did. So I am going to be sanding and staining this, but not today. But I will do another short video and let you see the end results of this, guys. Guys, I am going to be adding a shelf in between here, and that will give me some to add some more things to it. Guys, I really appreciate you watching. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel, like, share this video, give me a big old thumbs up. Till my next video, guys, I am out. Peace, love, and happiness to each and every one of y'all.